Huh?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello from Paris.
Yeah, it's very sunny
I
in
know.
Paris.
We're going to show you around, but we thought we would start with a bit of an intro. Also, it's the first time you're seeing me with new hair, so everyone please soak it in.
Comment below, how good does she look, etc, etc.
So we thought we would just give you a little lowdown about what we're doing in life at the moment.
Yes.
So Nick is, and I suppose myself, are working from Paris over the course of the Olympics, which is super fun. So
Yes.
we've been out here for about a week almost, half a week, just under a week.
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday, we came out on Thursday.
Yes, exactly.
So yeah, it's just under a week that we've been out here. So we wanted to do a bit of a vlog from Paris about, you know, what it's like to kind of live here almost, because we will be living here for 2.5 weeks total. So we'll be working, we'll be sightseeing, we'll be just, you know, really immersing in the culture, I think.
My French is pretty terrible as well. Misha's is pretty all right. So hopefully by the end of the 2.5 weeks, mine will be a little bit better.
And I'll be fluent.
Yeah, fingers crossed. But yeah, today we are going to go to the Arc de Triomphe because we need to walk past that to go to the Champs-Élysées because Misha's laptop's broken. So we have to go to the Apple store to get it fixed. Yeah, so you could come with us and see us do that and whatever else we're going to get up to today.
Yeah, but I think just to preface, like, this isn't going to be like our usual vlogs. I think it's going to be quite bitty, I suppose, because you don't want to see us working. We might show some bits of that, but it's going to be just a lot of just clips scattered across days, and we'll maybe do a feature if we get like a day off and get to do something a bit more exciting. So it'll be a bit more pieced together. It'll be less like, you know, us focusing on the vlog. I think we're just kind of bringing you along for our lived in Paris journey.
Yeah, why not? Who doesn't want to be brought along into Paris whilst the Olympics is on?
So yeah, join us for 2.5 weeks of living in Paris.
Big tunes.
We are on the Champs-Élysées and it's very busy, as you can imagine.
So hot as well, by
and
the
yeah,
way.
today's highs of 34 degrees, which to anyone who's watching that isn't from the UK will be like, that is child's play.
Well, it's like 100 and something, isn't it? In
Yeah.
Fs. Sorry, Americans. Sorry.
But yeah, so it's super warm and just a gorgeous day out. So we are going to go to the Apple store, do a little bit of retail therapy.
I need a lager
Yeah.
very soon.
I need an Aperol Spritz.
Yeah,
so
and lager pression, s'il vous plaît.
while we wait for my laptop to be fixed, we will find somewhere nice.
Oh, you've gone. There's some bins, sorry.
We'll find somewhere nice to settle down for an afternoon and just watch the world go by in very French fashion.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show you around. There's just a lot of cafes that have like these orangeries, which are suitable for summer and winter, which is what I love about Paris.
Yes, it's good news.
But yeah, take a look at the street.
We'll show you some of the Champs-Élysées. Let me just turn it around. Found your perfume.
Yeah, I found my perfume. I wanted to try a few others, but
No joy. Hey, look at this in the Apple store. How cool is this? Wait, how cool is this? Yeah, man, I need this in my house when I have a house, which is probably never the way the UK economy is going. But look at that, unbelievable scenes.
Bonjour.
It's Saturday, so we're seizing the day.
It's Samedi.
Samedi.
So over the top.
So today we've done so much to sort of like mooching around. In French, I think that's called voutrailler, which means to just travel aimlessly.
Yeah.
So we've been doing a lot of that, and I think we've been to Paris a good few times, so we don't need to go to a lot of the like monuments. We don't need to go to like the Peninsula or the Concorde.
Or the Eiffel Tower, even though I did that yesterday.
The Eiffel Tower.
But it's all good.
So today we are going to find the famous photo automate.
Yes.
Which there's a few locations, so we're going to try and go to the one in Le Galerie Lafayette.
Yes.
So we're going to try and find it in there, which I think is like kind of like Selfridges.
Yeah.
And then from there,
Rugby tackled.
we are also going to go to an EDF installation. It's like an interactive museum that's only on for the Olympics.
It looks pretty cool, that does actually. There's loads of like little kind of, I don't know, how would you explain it?
There's like immersive installations that you can try out, which like are for like Olympians and Paralympians. So you can put yourself in like a Paralympian's
shoes.
Yeah, shoes, which I suppose. And just a lot of like really cool art as well. So then we're going to go to that, and then we're finally going to find the Olympic rings at the Trocadero.
Is that where they are?
Yeah.
Right, okay. God, I didn't even know that.
So you can see who's done the planning this morning.
Yeah, I literally have no idea where we're going, I'll be honest. When we got the camera out to do this video, I was like, I'll hold the camera, but like you're going to do 90% of the talking because I really don't know where we're going.
First of all, he also wanted me to hold the camera. I was like, can you make yourself useful?
Because I didn't know if you wanted to do like things like that when you're trying to make a point about something, because I don't know where the hell we're going. But things like that.
Okay, stop. That's the day today.
Yeah.
And then obviously work later on.
Yeah.
Same old. But yeah, we're just going to try and make the most of the time that we're not having to work. Well, I'm not having to work in the mornings, so come along with us.
And it's blazing sunshine as well. Love that.
I know we're going to miss this when we get back to London and it's raining.
Yeah, again. Right, anyway, shall we?
We shall.
Hello. Misha is getting the iced coffees in because it's very hot outside. So she's just going to grab an iced coffee from Starbucks when in Rome. Why not? And then we're going to continue. We actually haven't made it to any of the places we want to go to yet because my hair is a joke. Because we stopped in this kind of like, it's like a Asian character store. So it's got like Hello Kitty and all of that. We didn't do any filming in there, but Misha loves Hello Kitty, so we were just, I was just following Misha around for ages while she was getting all excited about all the different Hello Kitty things, and then she didn't buy anything. Pretty standard. So anyway, we'll update you once we get to where we're going, which I've forgotten because Misha's made all the plans. So see you there.
Let's have a look. Oh, wow.
Very nice.
Yeah, the days that we said that we weren't going to have to work and have a lovely day, we actually do have to work. We're editing something for Nick's radio show on the side of the road. There he is. So it's kind of like stunted the day a little bit. So we've not done as much as we would have liked to. I don't think we'll get time, I don't know, maybe get time to go to the Olympic rings. But that's just rock and roll, baby, that's showbiz. So we've just gone to the photo photo booth in Le Galerie Lafayette, and now we are about a 10-minute walk away from the EDF exhibition. So once we finish this bit of work, we're golden.
Right, Misha, what have you done?
I have blagged my way into the Pavillon de EDF.
Yes.
Because they said that you need a reservation.
Which we did not have, yeah.
We didn't have, because also, this is why you need to do your research before just believing TikTok. TikTok just said, like, try out this free, like, event space. And I was like, oh my God, sounds amazing. Turned up and they were like, no, you need a reservation. And I was like, okay, right. So then we sat down on the bench just outside and tried to look. Absolutely nothing left for today and nothing left for tomorrow. I was like, okay, bearing in mind it's 5 to 2 p.m. The only thing that was there that looked available and you could still book it was a booking slot for 1:20, which I was like, okay, well maybe I'll just book it and hopefully they'll let us in, which is what we've done. We still have yet to actually go to the entrance.
I was going to say, we should caveat it with that. The man who was in charge of crossing the road, which allows you, as far as we are now, let us in. But he did not really look at our tickets. He just saw we had a barcode.
Let's be real for a minute. I don't know where we're going.
Let me finish this. So he saw our barcode.
Okay, keep going.
He's let us this far, but once we get to the main entrance, I assume they're going to scan this barcode, and then we're just going to have to make out that we were massively delayed because of something or another. So wish us luck. Pavillon Gabriel.
For invited guests, Misha, not us. Yeah, we're down here. You're gonna break it. You break it, you board it.
So sick.
Is it soft? Huh? Is it soft?
Yeah, it's soft.
Like a rubber ring.
Close.
We just finished at the Pavillon de EDF.
Yeah. What did you think?
It was fine. I can see why it's free.
Yeah.
Like it's like basically just a big information sort of centre as to what the EDF are doing with the Paralympics.
Yeah. It's a huge advert, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
For being honest.
But they had like
EDF.
cool installations. Like they also had. The clip we didn't do it because the queue was a bit long and we're hungry. They have like a Paralympics race, and we did like the swimming race, and there was also like a kayaking.
Yeah. You saw me win the swimming race, by the way, just for the record.
Actually, I'm gonna when I edit this video, I'm gonna do a VAR check of who hit who.
You hit me.
You hit me.
do a VAR check of who hit who.
It's not the worst I've ever seen either. If you actually watch his boot.
Actually, we've had a couple of these in recent weeks, haven't we?
We have.
The Balbuena one.
Correct.
Playing the ball, following through, no question there's a collision. He's been well advised here by Paul Tierney. And based on that advice, Anthony Taylor is reversing his decision.
I guarantee
you
it.
came into my lane.
You with your Mr. Inflatable arms.
You just can't take...
You move like those inflatables that go outside of like car dealerships, like the.
I've got the Techers. She's making any old excuse because she lost, you know.
By like 0.3 seconds.
It is what it is, mate. Doesn't matter if you win by an inch or a mile, in the words of Vin Diesel in The Fast and Furious.
Yeah. So we did that for a bit. Yeah, it was fine. I'm glad we went.
Yeah.
Because I'd be spending the rest of my life in London thinking, what if we went to the EDF exhibition in Paris? Because it's only on during the Olympics, as we said before.
It's a nice gate, isn't it? Very plush.
Very
anyway,
plush.
Sorry.
So,
food?
Yeah, we're going to go. So where we are basically now is just a lot of fancy fine dining restaurants, which we aren't in the mood for. So we're going to walk back towards where our hotel is, like north on the Champs-Elysees.
Yeah, so closer to the Arc de Triomphe, because right now we're very close to is it Trocadero?
No, the Concorde.
Yeah, that's the one. We're at the bottom of the
Champs-Elysees, whereas like we live at the top. So we're going to go kind of halfway, go to like this bar cafe that we've been to a couple of times just for a quick bit of lunch.
Yeah.
And
a lager pression.
Yeah, and an Aperol spritz, and then see you there.
Let's do it.